Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Alright, so how am I gonna solve for f? Okay, anytime I have an equation that involves a fraction, I know I have to get rid of the fraction first. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have a fraction here, so I have to get rid of it. Before I even worry about what I'm solving for, that is what I should worry about now. I don't want to see fractions. I don't like fractions at all. But to get rid of it, I know I always need an LCD. And for LCD, I'm just looking at the bottom numbers or the denominator. But looking at this question right here, I have only one denominator. Or I have only one number. I see only one number at the bottom. Whenever that is the case, that would just be my LCD. If I had two numbers, then I know I have to find the multiples of those two numbers, and then the first common number will be my LCD. But when I have only one number as the denominator, that would just be my LCD. And now I know I'm just going to multiply each term by that LCD. So that means I'm multiplying this term right here by the LCD, which is 7. And then this whole thing is like 1. So I multiply this whole thing also by 7. And now d times 7 is 7d. And then equals this 7 and that 7. One is at the top, one is at the bottom. I can cancel it. So now I just have a 4 and an f plus g. Oh, so that's why I have to always find the LCD. That helps me get rid of the fraction. Okay, and now it's looking easier. Because now I know for sure I'm solving for f, but what can I do right here? I should be able to distribute. So anytime I see that I can distribute, I know I have to go ahead and do it. So I'm doing 4 times f, which is 4f. And then 4 times g, which is 4g. And now just bring down my equal sign, and then my 7d. So now that everything looks fine, I still have in mind that I'm solving for f. So where is my f at? Oh, this is the f right here. So that but the f has 4 with it. So for now, I want to have 4f by itself. So that means whatever is close to this 4f, I have to get rid of u. So what is close to this 4f? 4g. And I always do the opposite to get rid of it. So it's a plus 4g. So I'm going to minus 4g. But whatever I do on side, I know I have to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to minus 4g here also. So now the 4g's, they are gone. So I have my 4f left on the right side, and on the left side I have the 7d minus 4g. And now again I'm solving for f. And anytime I have a number with a variable, to get the variable by itself, I have to divide by the number with the variable, which in this case is 4. And whatever I do on one side, I gotta do the same thing on the other side. So I divide here also by 4. The 4's cancel out, and now I have the f that I'm solving for by itself. That was the whole goal, to have this f by itself. And now I have it. But that f equals what? This, which is 7d minus 4g over 4. And I can't simplify no more. So this will just be my answer. And that's it. Well, let me see if I really got this right here. I know I got this though. I know I got this. I'm going to do this GeorgeWay right here. Okay. Alright. So for this question right here too, again, I know I see a fraction. So I have to find the LCD. And anytime I see only one number at the bottom, that would just be my LCD. So my LCD is just that 3 right there. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each term by the LCD. So this A times the LCD 3, this whole thing times the LCD 3. A times 3 is 3A equals, there's a 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. That should be able to cancel out. So now I have this left, B minus C plus D. And what am I solving for? I'm solving for B. So that means I want to have just B by itself. So where is B at? B, where are you? That is B. So I want to have just this B right here by itself. So that means whatever is close to it, I have to get rid of it. So I have a C. But when I'm getting rid of it, I do the opposite, by the way. So I have a C right here. It's a minus C. If I want to get rid of it, I'm going to do the opposite. So I add C. Whatever I do on one side, I do the same thing on the other side. I have a D right here. I have to get rid of it. It's a plus D. So I do the opposite. So minus D. I do the same thing right here. Minus D. They cancel out. Now I have the B that I'm solving for by itself. And it equals what? All these. 3A plus C minus B. Oh man, I love math. Oh man.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.